Prorituals Hair Coloring Cream and Wetline. Prorituals features and benefits. Our color cream shades come in 3.38 ounce tubes. We're a single line concept. You can create semi, demi, and permanent hair color options from one tube. This means we save you inventory and we save you money. We have 5 great coverage foundation-based color choices to create true reds, coppers, and natural gray coverage results. We have 2 neutral series options. We have a true neutral N series, which is a blue-violet. This would create cooler tones for your gray coverage options. We also have the fundamental series, which is a brown natural gold. This will give you the softer natural gray coverage and tonal blend. So that gives you a total of 19 neutral series. We also have 3 permanent brightener additives for vibrant results. These are bright red, bright violet, and bright orange. Our international level system will help anybody figure out how to use the Prorituals hair color line. Prorituals' goal is to provide rich coverage options and intense tonal results. The 3 main principles of this new technology are as follows: intense repair, deep and lasting moisture, and balanced formula. Prorituals uses chroma prism technology. The color pigments are so small they easily penetrate deeply into the hair fiber. Once a color pigment has penetrated, they develop into large color pigments, which hold into the hair, assuring optimum white coverage and long-lasting color. Prorituals hair color cream is uniquely manufactured in a vacuum system, resulting in a fine microemulsion cream that has not been exposed to the air and remains stable. We use a high-quality pigment that complies with the EU directive. Prorituals goes beyond gray coverage. We use the maximum amount of available dye at every level and every tone. That means our colors are slightly deeper in tone than most on the market. We have true to swatch results with our N series, our naturals. And what this means is that our neutral series, or N series, is slightly cool, which would lean more blue-violet. Now, we know when you add developer to a neutral series, you're going to get a slight lift, or you're going to have a little bit of natural undertone. So by combining a neutral series that is cooler in tone with the developer, it's going to react or counter-react with the undertone, creating a true neutral result. The base of Prorituals Professional Hair Color Cream is keratin, wheat, and soy proteins with added aloe vera juice and 5 Mediterranean herbs to soothe scalp and promote healthy hair color results. The following wild herbs from the Mediterranean bushland are used in Prorituals Hair Color Cream Essence. Helichrysum has soothing properties and is an anti-inflammatory. Rosemary leaf oil nourishes the scalp and normalizes natural oils. Nettle extract is for hair conditioning. Eucalyptus leaf is for cleansing and conditioning and has amazing antibacterial properties. Wormwood extract is an anti-inflammatory. It also has antipyretic cooling effect on the scalp. Now let's pull out our color swatch chart. If you don't have a color swatch chart, go to www.prorituals.com and go under Education and look under Education Materials and Color Chart and download that now. Prorituals Hair Coloring Cream comes in 65 3.38 fluid ounce 100 milliliter color cream tubes. We recently added 3 new brighteners to our line. We are a single line concept, which means low inventory. You can do permanent, demi-permanent, and semi-permanent color options from one tube. Now we're ready to start doing color. Let's start with the basics. Number 1, determine the natural level plus percentage of gray. Consider the effects of texture and porosity of the hair before doing anything. Number 2, determine the desired level. Are you going darker or are you going lighter? Or is it the same level? Is there gray coverage or is it blended gray coverage? Third, determine desired tone. Is it cool, warm, or neutral? Remember, the final result will be a combination of the artificial color and the natural underlying pigment of the hair. Fourth, determine the volume of developer. One level of lift for every 10 volume developer used. And fifth, the color ritual. The color ritual. Follow these easy steps for better hair color application and hair color penetration. Clarify the hair prior to color application. Use the Prorituals Clarifying Shampoo with a pH of 5.25 to 6.25. Apply this by patting it into the hair. Do not massage the scalp. This is used to help remove environmental buildups and supply additional wheat and soy proteins to the hair. Once you've clarified the hair, rinse, then add daily or the color therapy conditioner to the ends to help detangle. Rinse, then towel blot. Spray the hair with Proritual Spray Treat with a pH of 4.3 to 4.8. This will even out the hair's porosity and add even more proteins to the hair, resulting in better color penetration during application. When mixing your hair color formula or lightener, add 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of Prorituals Hair and Scalp Therapy. These are essential fatty acids. These can be added to your mix before color application. This will replace the fatty acids that can be reduced during the coloring process. Adding hair and scalp therapy oil to your color formula allows you to process with heat if you do choose. Result: prevents damage while adding additional moisture to the hair. After processing, rinse color with cool water until water runs clear. We recommend that you do not shampoo but condition first using the Prorituals Color Therapy Conditioner with a pH of 3.75 to 4.25 to close the cuticle and restore hair's natural pH balance. Shampooing can be done if needed after conditioning. It is recommended for highlights and lighteners. Repeat conditioning step after you shampoo. Once you've rinsed out the hair, towel blot, then apply Prorituals Color Fuel with a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. That is put on the hair to lock in the color by closing the hair's cuticle. And that's the color ritual. Prorituals color cream boxes will have both our Italian number letter description and the ICC or the International Color Code. This will assist with color identification for tonal bases, providing better understanding and comparison to other color lines and base translation. The following pages will give a description of each of the tonal families. Brighteners. These are the newest addition to the Prorituals hair coloring cream line. They are available in bright red, bright violet, and bright orange. These are oxidative hair color dyes that can be added to any of your formulations or can be added to hydrate conditioner to create a direct dye. Prorituals Color Cream Brighteners add permanent oxidative vivid pigments to all hair color tones. You can mix it as a color brightener additive by adding ½ ounce to 1 ounce brightener to your Prorituals Color Cream tone formula and equal parts color cream developer. You can mix a bright and bold color by adding the brightener to the developer in equal proportions. You could also add a 10A booster to that formulation to even get more intense results. Bright Refresh, or a direct color, is made by adding the brightener to our Prorituals Hydrate Conditioner equal proportions. This will be the type of color you'd put on pre-lightened hair to get those bright, vibrant tones. If you want to make a pastel, add a pea size to a dime size to 1 to 2 ounces of the hydrate conditioner or mix it to the visual tonality you want to achieve. The brighteners come in